Release the ROV! We are going down!
Show me something different. Just one anomaly.
Hold on. Mark that position. Right there. We have a hard contact.
Coordinates locked. Dynamic positioning active. Let's see what you are.
Visuals class.
Personal effects, seats, luggage. My God. Positive ID on the livery. We have the Malaysia Airlines logo. This is MH370.
Floor structure is compromised. We have a clear path to the lower cargo deck.
Manifest confirmed. The rumors were true.
That is
a significant amount of bullion.
There it is. The CVR. It's intact. I repeat, the recorder is intact.
Steady, grip is secure. Extracting now. Gentle, gentle.
Recorder secured. Recovering loose cargo samples. We're not leaving this behind.
Phase 1 complete. Evidence secured.
Lock those pins! Double check the hydraulics! We only get one shot at this! The fuselage is fragile! If the cradle fails, the plane disintegrates!
Cradle is on the deck. Position looks good. Stable on the starboard side.
Jetting the path for strap 1. Watch the hull, don't touch the skin. It's paper thin.
Easy on the tension. She's buckling. 10% torque only. Tension at 40%. She's waking up. Watch for the dust shake.
10 years. Welcome back.
Venting observed at frame 42. Internal pressure equalizing. Maintaining ascent speed at 0.5 meters per second.
Passing 800 meters.
I have visual. She's huge. The structure looks stable.
Hull is slimy but solid. Barnacle growth is heavy on the rivet lines.
She's weeping. 10 years of ocean inside her.
We got you. You're safe now.
Giant 7, this is Fremantle Port Control. You are cleared for approach to berth 10. Pilot boat is en route.
They're all here. Every network on the planet.
Take up tension! Clear the deck! Locked on! All clear! Hoist away slow!
Load on deck. Suspension active. We are green for transport.
The convoy is now moving north towards the secure facility. A solemn sight for everyone watching.
Center line. Keep it on the center line. Easy. Bring her home.
Scanning Sector 4. Mapping the formation patterns on the port side cargo door.
Corrosion has welded it shut. The locking mechanism is gone. We'll have to force it.
Clear back! She's gonna pop! Pressure at 10,000 PSI.
The smell. It's the smell. Get the lights in there.
Pallet PMC 1422. It's thermal runaway. Look at the meltdown. It started here. It burned straight up. Main equipment center, A-cars, transponder. It took them all out in seconds.
Inventory confirmed. 2.5 tons. It's all here. Nobody touched it.
Door is secured from the inside. Deadbolt engaged. Whatever happened in there happened alone.
Almost through.
Captain's seat. Transponder set to standby. It wasn't a fire. He turned it off.
Memory board extracted. Salt corrosion is minimal. Pins are clean. Attempting interface.
We have it. Play the last file. Phase 1.
Channel 2 is dead. Channel 1, steady respiration. He's still alone. He's just breathing.
6 hours. He sat there for 6 hours, waiting for the fuel to run out.
Right engine flame out. Left engine flame out. AC bus lost. Recorder power gone.
Passenger 12A. Recovered. We are the wing number.
The data is conclusive. The transponder was manually disabled. The turnback was intentional.
Good night, Malaysia 3.
At 1:21 a.m., the aircraft made a sharp manual turn west.
For 6 hours, autopilot engaged. No communication. You are found. You can rest now. Mission complete. The file is closed. But they will never be forgotten. The sea keeps its secrets. But sometimes